Whistleblower usually means you're exposing something bad.
I thought it meant calling attention to something helpful.
The online store that was just breached has my payment info.
Shalom. First and foremost, I give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem, Makakadash, and the Heavenly Father, true name is like Yahweh, His only begotten Son, Ba'Hashem, Mashiach Kavashai. Those are the true names in ancient Paleo Hebrew, Lashwan Kadash Lotam, and I say Barakabam to the elders, Wa'akim Akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of this recent news article. What's this from again? From newsx.com as of December 14th, 2024 at 7:06 a.m. Asia, and updated 3 hours ago. And it reads, strong 6.4 magnitude earthquake strikes central Chile. Tremors reach Santiago. A 6.4 magnitude earthquake central Chile on Friday, shaking the Malu region, sending tremors as far as Santiago. The earthquake occurring at a depth of 100 kilometers. It says highlighting the country's positions of the semi-molecule acting ring of fire. It says the strong 6.4 strong 6.4 magnitude earthquake struck central Chile on Friday, sending tremors strong through the Malu region and reaching the capital, Santiago, according to the United States Geological Survey, the USGS. The earthquake was occurred at a depth of 100 kilometers, 62 miles below the Earth's surface. It's the book of Luke. It's the book of Luke 21 and verse 11. And great earthquake shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs should not be from heaven. Right, so we're going to be seeing an increasing of great earthquakes in diverse places, just like this one of a strong 6.4 magnitude of an earthquake in Chile. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying of this recent news article from newsx.com, published by Satyam Shang from newsx.com as of December 14, 2024. Updated 3 hours ago, as it says again, strong 6.4 magnitude earthquake strikes central Chile, tremors reach Santiago. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem, Makakadash.
I'm always on the go, so I need
And the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'Hashem, and name of Mashiach Kavashai. Those are the true names in ancient Paleo Hebrew, Lashwan Kadash Lutan. And I say Barakadam to the elders, Wa'akim Akwaf. Until next time, I will say Shalom.
I suggest you make the switch and see why Pretty Litter is